Hi guys, my name is Roman Khan and today we're gonna start about the Dutch language. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is Dutch language? That is a very client optimized programming and very fantastic language that was developed by the Google company, and it is used for cross-platform mobile application development, Android, iPhone and web with single code language which is called Dart. Okay, so initially we can start the Dart language playlist from beginning to advanced to complete. Okay, then we will start the Flutter. So you know about Flutter. What is Flutter? Flutter is a very fantastic framework that was developed by the Google and used for mobile application development with Android, iPhone and web with single code based language which is called Dart. So if I can tell you seriously, according to many programming languages that was developed like Python, JavaScript, C++, C++, so it have own benefit. So that language is very fantastic language. It's similar like a C language and it is used for mobile development. Okay, so how we can start that programming language today? I'm gonna show you about the first video and the first topic of the language which name is output. So let's get started now. I select my first projects. After that, I will click the dirt. I will click on the dirt and just to create a sample project now. And this project is opening now. In the project hierarchy, so you can see here it's opening. Okay, so if we can talk about today the first topic about that language, that's very good and that's a very fantastic. So it's make you a complete and perfect programmer. So first take the name here which is write to text, and so I write white man, and here I will write many codes. So how I can do? So if we can start many programming languages, that's very good. So if we can take some data about the program, this program can display data at the output screen. So how we can do this? We can do in many programming languages like Python. We can write print. In Java language we can say system.out.print hello world, and in ch language we can say system.console.writeLine or console.writeLine hello worlds, or in JavaScript language we can say simple print. In the C language we can say also to print hello world. So how we can use this into that language? So it is very fantastic and it is easy way. For example, if I can write print hello, I will apply semicolon at the end because every program you want to write at the end, so it's much. So if I run, wow, it's a very fantastic. It just launched a hello world, because whatever if you write in this context, of course they can move and they can to display on the screen. So it is very good. Okay, so how we can do in any programming languages like that C++, Java, JavaScript, Python. In many programming we can do this. So when I write, for example, hello, we can write in this double quote. Every output statement you want to display on the screen, we can use print statement. This is like a command, and this is a double quote. Here we can write a value. For example, if I write about single quote like yes, and if I run again, so you can see it's print me yes. Why? Because it is a statement, it's a command where we can take the code, and this code has been executed on our console. It is very interesting. For example, if I write against and triple quotes, so that's maybe like a multi-line. Understand what is a multi-line? That's a very important and interesting stuff in the that language. So for today it is very sufficient. In the next video we're gonna learn a lot of tools about that language. So Thank you very much and stay continues.